Today is New Year's Eve and we are going to take the fast train from Luang Prabang to Vang Vieng. So originally the plan was to depart yesterday. I made a mistake with our train booking, so we had to stay here one extra night, but we're just getting packed up, getting ready. I had to ditch my moose. A little sad about that, but no aerosols, no knives allowed on the train. Good to know. And we'll see how the liquids go. They do say they have liquids restrictions. I have a few bigger bottles with, what do we have? Some bigger toothpaste bottles and some sunblock. So hopefully those will make it through, but we'll see how it goes. So we pre-booked a taxi or a tuk-tuk to take us to the train station. From the town, I believe it's about half an hour ride. And yeah, that should get us there in plenty of time. I have seen there can be some queues, but I'm not really sure why everybody gets there so early. So you gotta assign seats, so we just need to get there and make it through security on time. Should be good to go. So we got dropped off just outside the train station. Thank you. Kapjai. And there were a few small restaurants to eat. There was also some food stands, so you can pick up some snacks even before you get into the train station. So just had a nice little light lunch, and now we're heading in. So when we arrived, we just had to have our boarding pass along with our passport so that they could double check the name, and then we went through a real quick security. You put your bags on the conveyor belt there. It'll go through the x-ray machine. We didn't have any issues. I did have some bigger liquids, as I mentioned earlier, but didn't trigger anything, so now we wait. There's really not a lot of food options once you're inside the train station. There's a Dairy Queen, there is a Cafe Amazon, so you get a coffee or tea or something. They do have a little vending area, but really if you're wanting to get a sit-down meal or maybe some slightly more affordable snacks, then I would do that outside the train station before you get in. We are heading to Coach 8. And they have the numbers here, so you can follow along. Made it! Went to the wrong cabin first. We figured it out. So it was a little hectic when we got out of the station in Vang Vieng. We made our way towards the green vans, and so those green vans are 40 kip each, and then they asked us which hotel we were staying at, so they ended up taking us right to the hotel, which was quite convenient, and since we're on kind of the north side of town, we were the first ones dropped off. All checked in now. There is a foot and motorbike bridge here. Kind of have to watch for what's coming. We just stopped across on the other side of the bridge, other side of the river, I should say, for some lunch. Got some pad thai, some crispy vegetable rolls. Happy days! We came back to the hotel earlier just to rest and relax a little bit. We both fell asleep, so we kind of missed sunset tonight. But now we're getting ready to figure out what we want to do for New Year's Eve celebration. We made it here to Elevate 9. This was a recommendation from some friends that we made back in Luang Prabang, and we might have made a little bit of a rookie error though, because this is the first place we came. It's 7:30. There's not going to be a better view for fireworks tonight, and so now the question is, do we just park it here for the next 4.5 hours? Only time will tell.
In the end, we didn't make it to midnight, but sitting on a rooftop in Vang Vieng, Laos, I had one of those pinch me moments. I'm actually living out a dream I've had for so long, and I'm so grateful for everyone who supported us along the way. So cheers! Here's to hope, inspiration, and dreaming big dreams. Let's see what next year has in store.